everyone, Teacher Pamela here. I wanted to share with you this special thing that came in the mail today, straight from the Token Center. Here it is, Mulan! I am so happy to get this today, and we need some happiness over the last few weeks, believe me. So I thought I'd share with you guys because I know the picture in the Token Center was really small, and I could even hardly tell what I was spending my tokens on. All I knew is that I wanted something unique, and I'm a dino collector, so I didn't care exactly what it looked like. I just knew if it was dino and if it was Mulan, that was for me. So here it is. It came today. First of all, it's in a beautiful box that I can later use to store my props and things in. I'm not throwing this one out. And let's see what's inside. This is just the sheet that tells you what's inside, but it's just beautiful and in Chinese. I love everything that's written in Chinese. Okay, so this is the main thing I really wanted. The statue of Mulan. I had no idea. I really thought it was going to be just a little statue like this, like the one I have, and I also have the blue dragon. But this is so much bigger. It's like the size of those Funko Pops that you can get at Hot Topics. So let's open it up. Ha ha ha. And here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. She is beautiful. And she is really big compared to our regular dino statues that we get. Oh, I love her. Look. And she even comes with a little stand. I can't wait to show my students in the morning. I think you're supposed to set this up something like this with the screen behind her. And it even comes with a little book with some Chinese writing on it, which I'll have to Google in WeChat later. I'm so excited. Okay, then also you get this hardcover book, and it's just a blank book at the back. But in the front, there are some beautiful sketches and things that you can color. The story of Mulan. Really, really nice quality. Stand her up there. And a sticker of Mulan. Okay, so let's see what's under here. I want to be careful not to rip the box because I love it. So inside here we have another box. Let's close this and put it on top. Okay, there. Da-da-da. Oh, it says Dino Daily, VIPKID Family. Family. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, in this little box are water-soluble lead. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm totally into art, so I've been wanting to try these. They're pencils that you can dip in water, and they work kind of like watercolors, and that you can, I'm turning it upside down, that you can like dip in water and make, darker and lighter. Oh my, the magnets all fell out. Oh, look at this. Little magnets of the VIPKID Dino family. One of them fell out. Where did it go? Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. These are so cool. I hope I don't break them. And it's so perfect because tomorrow morning, guess what? I'm teaching a family unit. Guess what my reward will be? So exciting. So anyway, I've been wanting to try these pencils for a while now, and it's the perfect time with us under so-called quarantine, social distancing. We can do lots of art with that. And then here are the 3 blank notebooks. But my favorite thing is about these is that on the side here, it's Dino Mulan, Dino Sister, and the original Dino. And these are just 3 blank sketchbooks. Guess who's going to be filling these during my time inside? Oh yeah. Anyway, this is so worth saving the tokens for. Really the only reason I had the tokens for this was because I was saving for Rat Dino, and when I couldn't get him in the Token Center, I broke down and bought him in the shop. Confessions of a Dino addict. Anyway, now I have him and Mulan, and when the movie does get released, I can sit there and watch Mulan with Dino Mulan. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Love you.